Hi, I'm Kit Rich, and this is your evening routine. Whether this is day 1 or day 5 of the series, I hope you've been enjoying it. You have your morning routine, and then your workout, and here we are. This routine is purely meant to relax the system. A little back opening, a little hip opening, but truly just to get you prepared for sleep. We're going to be sitting for some of it. We're going to be on our side and on our back, and then we'll set some gratitude. All right, so let's begin. Starting seated. Now, in this seated position, you want to be as comfortable as possible. So if you need to fold up your yoga mat to put it underneath your hips, if that feels better for you, that's a great option. You can also pull your legs a little farther out in front of you as well. Either way, you just want to make sure that you're aware of which leg is in front. From here, place your hands onto your knees, and you're going to use your arms to help draw your chest forward, pulling your shoulders back, lift your heart up, look up to the sky, big inhale, and then exhale, tuck your chin, round your spine, scooping. Seated cat-cow, inhale up, and then exhale, round. Let's just do one more. Very good. Keeping that right leg forward, arms reach up to the sky, and then bow forward. Now in this position, you want to close your eyes and try to focus into the nuance of this move, noticing where you feel tight. See if you can take your breath into that area, relaxing your jaw and your forehead. Take one more inhale and exhale, slowly roll it up. Once you get to the top, switch the leg that's in front. Place your hands onto your knees, and again, inhale, open, look up, exhale, round. Two more. One more. Arms stretch up and dive. And staying in the stretch. Releasing the hips. Breathing into the lower back. Letting the day go. Letting go of what no longer serves you. One more breath, and exhale, come on up. Come down onto your left side for me. You're going to tuck your knees into your body. Place your hands behind your head. It almost looks like you're a capital U. And then from here, focusing on your top elbow, you're going to open it up, let your head go with you, opening up the back, and breathe. And then close. Let's just do two more of those. Inhale, open. Exhale, trying to keep your hips still so you're really isolating through the upper body. Inhale. But on your exhale, I want you to stay here. You want to imagine as though this top hip is lengthening away from the body. And trying to imagine as though the ribs are just dropping down into the floor. Take one more inhale. Exhale, close it in. Before we go to the other side, I want you to lie down onto your back. So it was your right elbow that was opening. So now we're going to take your right leg and cross it over your left knee. Now, from here, I want you to pull the knees into your body. If you already feel a hip stretch there, just hug your knees and hold that. If you're looking for something a little deeper, I want you to reach for the outer edges of your feet, flex your feet, lift your feet up, and draw your knees in to deepen that hip stretch. Remember that wherever you feel your stretch is right for you. You don't want to push it. You just try to relax into it, surrendering into the floor. And then releasing the feet, taking your arms out to the side, dropping that left foot back down, but notice that my right leg is still crossed over, and then I'm going to take my knees over to the left. This helps to loosen up the back, making sure that the shoulders are still down. Closing your eyes and taking your breath into your lower back. One more breath, and slowly bring that in. Taking the top right leg, holding on to it with your hands, interlacing your hands, and drawing that knee in towards the shoulder. Now, if you already feel some compression here in your hip flexor, that's normal. That's actually what you want. If you can extend your bottom leg all the way straight onto the floor, give that a try. This move is really great to decrease pressure in the hips. It's also really good for your digestion. Draw the knee in on that exhale. One more breath and release. All right, let's come over to the other side of your body. So coming over to the right, tucking your knees in, placing your hands behind your head, and then opening up. And exhale. Remember that you want to try to keep your hips stacked. So if you're tighter on one side, maybe not going the full distance, just to the place where you feel that stretch. And then closing. One more time, you're going to hold it open, but then stay there. Imagining as though this top hip is lengthening away from the body. And surrendering down into the floor. Take an inhale and exhale, close it in. Coming onto your back, the same arm that was opening, that left leg crosses, and you draw the knees into the chest. Now, if this is your hip stretch, you're going to grab your knees. For a deeper stretch, you're going to grab the tops of your feet, flex your feet, and pull the knees in. Be mindful of what's happening in the upper body. Relax the jaw, the shoulders, the neck. One more breath, and gently release. Arms out to the side, taking the knees to the right. See with every breath now if you can go deeper with the breath, but also go softer. No force, just connection and awareness. And bringing it slowly back in. Hugging that left knee in. If this is available to you to extend the right leg down, go for it. And really using your arm strength to draw the knee in. A few more breaths. And gently release. Closing our practice, your legs are extended straight. Your legs are wide. You want to be in a comfortable position. You're going to place one hand onto your lower belly and one hand onto your chest. And from here, close your eyes and just breathe naturally. Having awareness of where the breath is in your body on that inhale, and awareness where it is on your exhale. Next, on your inhale, through the nose, I want you to puff up your lower belly into your hand. Puff up your chest into your hand. And then exhale out the mouth, drop into the floor. Let's try that again. Inhale into the hand, lower belly. Inhale more into the upper chest. Exhale, release down into the floor. One more time. Keeping your eyes shut, just breathing naturally now. Saying to yourself, I am safe. I am grateful. Placing your hands down to the side of your body with your palms turned up, continuing that gratitude by silently saying to yourself, I am grateful for, and finishing the sentence. Anytime you lose your present awareness, go back to saying to yourself, I am grateful for, and finish the sentence. Closing out that gratitude, placing the hand back onto the belly, back onto the heart. One big inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Open your eyes. And I am so proud of you. You did it. And I'll see you soon.